This one?
Yeah, because there's water.
Yeah.
You can swim.
But it's so clear. Look at the water.
Did you do the bottom? Memories here in Coron. Thank you, Uncle.
Of course, Laika.
So nice. And delete the other one. Yeah, I was. Wait, are you still live?
No. How old are the kids?
My grandkids?
The one that you will be bringing next year?
Well, no, her daughter is 20. Is
I
eight.
thought it is.
No, the kids are my grandkids.
Yeah, the kids will love it here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're old. He's 50. I'm 57.
That's not old.
Wait, what's this?
I mean, oh yeah, it's the swordfish. So, ang linaw-linaw.
Wait, you know what? We have a drone. But we couldn't get it going.
Why? What happened?
My battery, I don't know what happened.
Battery?
Next time I'll bring it up.
We never use it.
Oh no.
I know.
Bayos niyo ma'am sa ano? Dala niyo sa Manila.
Next time.
Yeah, next time. That would be so nice right here, right?
Oh yeah.
Ano pa?
Ito ba? We only do private tours. We only do special tours and private tours. We don't do the group tours.
So we can choose where we want to go.
Yes. If you look at the website, ito po yung website namin, ma'am. Oh.
Calamianes?
Yeah, that's right.
And can we request you?
Oh yes, of course.
Maybe you need to take a picture of that on his website.
Ito yung website namin.
Well, ay kuya, para may picture kayo ni.
So we specialize in private tours.
Okay.
Ay,
One,
talaga.
two. Ano ba yun? Kuya, sige ka dito kuya. Wait lang.
Oh,
Ayan,
yeah.
go. Sige dito kuya. Ayan. Yay.
Okay. So when you...
Mag-swimming ako kuya.
You promise, I will ask for you.
When you contact them, then show them